We are here at the BIMTech Greater Noida, which is organizing its 34th convocation day today to confer the degrees to the 2020-2022 batch students. I am right now joined by some bright students who wanted to share their experience here at the BIMTech. So first of all, let me take your introduction. What's your name and what are the course you are pursuing from here?
So I am Bodhisattva Dash and I am pursuing PGDM in marketing and analytics.
I'm Dipanshi Pandey and I'm pursuing finance from PTTM.
Hi, I'm Avinash. I'm pursuing marketing and BFSI as my specialization.
Hi, I'm Murtuza Ambawala. I'm pursuing my PGDM marketing in Birla Institute.
So can you all talk about what has been your experience here at BIMTech during your 2 years of stay?
So the experience over here was marvelous, right? So we met different people and the entire hostel life that we led was really nice and overwhelming. So the all in all, the entire experience was something to remember and like that will something that will take that I will take to the grave, right? So it was an awesome experience.
So it was like really roller coaster, I can say, like meeting deadlines and having all the events. And because I'm part of cultural conduit also, so I have been part of this thing that I always used to organize different events every month. So yeah, it was roller coaster.
What is the one thing that you like most about BIMTech?
The hospitality at the college, doesn't matter. Whenever our parents come, there is always someone to welcome us. So even now, when my parents came at last night at 10 o'clock in the midnight, so we were provided with rooms and we were very well taken care. So the hospitality is like marvelous in the college.
Yeah, so my experience has been very good because I have interacted with many of the corporates in here in BIMTech. I've also interacted with much of the very good faculties which were from IIMs also. So I have gained a lot of knowledge and exposure which I am currently using in my job that I am also doing right now.
So one thing which is most important for any student is placement. So can you tell me how BIMTech has fared in this particular aspect?
So BIMTech is a very student-friendly college, I would say. So they put a lot of efforts to get you placed. And whenever if you are facing any difficulty while you are giving your interviews or anything of that sort, they will come back with their feedbacks and help you in the placement process for further improvement, right? So that was something that was really nice for BIMTech to look at. So.
So we really got a lot of opportunities here, to be honest, and I'm really happy that we all four have got placed in very good companies. And I would like to say that COVID was going on. After that, also our college managed to provide us a lot of opportunities and big packages also. Yes.
So since this is your last day at BIMTech, can you recall any funny or interesting story that you would like to share? Any one of you?
Yeah, funny thing is when we are doing things online, so we get to see whatever happening in someone else's home. So someone is scolding someone, you get to listen and hear like all the funny moments we share. Like so one time I was in class and my mom all of a sudden barged into the room. I was like she was angry about something. So these are some things funny which happened due to online and also coming here. Yeah, it was a very good experience in part of learning and online was there were some bloopers I would say like which happened due to some I mean, what's it? Sorry.
Yeah. So yeah, the fun has been with interacting with people. Yeah, knowing them about them. Also hanging out at canteen and everyone. So kind of stuff we did. Hanging out at Machan, we have place like here. So college life has been a really good experience because that kind of experience you don't get in online. So in offline campus, you have a campus life. You meet people in the hostel. You interact with them. Late night, you study and you do a Maggie or a tea, something like that. So that's a very interesting part that comes with that.
Any one of you? No. Yeah, okay. So thank you guys for speaking to us and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much.